We're here at James Cook this week for the annual Winter School, where Indigenous students from Queensland, New South Wales and Victoria attend James Cook to get an experience of what university life is all about.
My name is Skylar Dolan, my mob is Mitakootie and I am from Cloncurry.
My name is Keyshawn Sands Hart. I am from Hullfell and my mob is the Youth people from Barra Point.
My name's Tyrell. I'm from Torres Strait and I live on Thursday Island.
I wanted to come to Winter School because I wanted to get insight, and I'm graduating soon, so I want to find out how to get into uni. Winter School definitely exceeded my expectations. It was a very thorough experience and I learnt a lot.
At Winter School I am studying a degree in law. We've been doing mock trials, learning some cases and all the policies that go into law and how to construct a proper case.
It gives me a chance to gain my knowledge in the nursing field as I want to do after school.
I discovered tons of things that I'm passionate about when it comes to law, ways that I can help mob back up in community. The support from the staff has been very good and needing for me, because especially as a student who didn't think I wanted to go to uni, having the support of lecturers and friends and finding people who have similarities within me, it provides a sense of reassurance.
Connecting with mob made me feel like myself, they made me feel welcome.
Connecting with other Indigenous students here has definitely been an experience.
I've seen them step out of their comfort zone and achieve new friends and new relationships and new opportunities that can be present for them in the future.
Standout moment would have to be kids coming all across from Australia to one spot in Townsville here for 1 week and just getting to know each other. You know, no one's shame and everyone's here to talk.
I'm going to try apply for a dual degree, a Bachelor of Business and a Bachelor of Laws.
I'm hoping to study a Bachelor of Nursing next year.
This experience has definitely made me want to come to JCU, and even if I don't get into medicine the first try, I know that there's other paths for me to go down.
The Winter School supports Indigenous school students in enabling them to have exposure to different disciplinary areas in the university, to get experience in university life, culture, and it just really allows them to familiarise themselves with what university is all about.
If you have a child or student of yours that's going through grade 10 to grade 12, definitely look at the winter camp and see if they are eligible to come. They're going to have the greatest time of their life here.